how to find the missing flash icon in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the control button, and then tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Next, scroll down and then tap on customize indicators and select photo indicators or video indicators, and make sure you tap on the flash icon to turn it on. Once it is on, you can now access the flash icon or the flash features directly from your indicators toolbar at the top. And that's it. Here we can tap on this button to have additional items. And here you'll also be able to access the flashlight as well for your camera. Or you can quickly access it from the top toolbar here. And thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.